In this video, I will be showing you how to autofill cells with the same value here in the Google Sheets mobile app. Now, I'm using the Android phone, so I have my Google Sheets app open on the Android, and whatever method I do here would be the same if you were to do this on an iPhone. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's say I want to fill all of these rows right here with the same date. So let me just enter the date. May 30, 2025. There we go. If I were to fill this entire column with the same day, if I try and do that by dragging that right here, then selecting autofill, it will not repeat the same value. Instead, it will continue the sequence into the next date. So what I'm going to do would be to undo that. I'm just going to copy this, then paste it on the next cell and paste it again. Now this time, if I drag this to, let's say, until row 40, there we go, and click on the space that I've already selected within that selected column, go to the ellipsis right here and select autofill. It will fill up all the selected rows here in this column with the same date. There you have it. Let's try that again. Let's say I want to repeat the same value, maybe the word product on this cell. Type in product, tap on the check mark. There you have it. I'm just going to do the same thing. Copy that, paste it right here, paste it again, select those, then drag that until, again, row number 40. Tap on the selected range, go to the ellipsis on the right side and select autofill. And there you go. We have successfully filled all of these cells with the same values by using our autofill here in our Google Sheets mobile app. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.